Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Sarabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 10 days of July. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies and of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what we have for Pisces. Okay. Let me see what is it. This is the cups. Okay. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Pisces. These two cards have come up. Let's see. There are three. I'll just shuffle and get one. What is the guidance from the angels for Pisces? These two cards want to come out. Message from the universe for Pisces. Okay, Pisces, so let's get started. So what I feel here is you are being very emotionally controlled. Though you have a lot of emotions within you, but you are emotionally controlled and or emotionally mature perhaps. It's not that you are not showing your emotions, you are showing a little bit of your vulnerability perhaps, or testing the waters perhaps. Trying to take a deep look at the situation, whatever the situation is, trying to sort of scrutinize it. It's coming off like that. Your emotions, you are in control of your emotions and trying to see perhaps what the other person does. or what the situation is, trying to scrutinize it, calculate it, or understand it. Calculate not in a bad way, in a good way, trying to understand actually what the situation is, though you are testing the waters, and perhaps showing some degree of vulnerability also, or some degree of emotions perhaps are being shown. But definitely this is a position of yours, quite emotionally mature and controlled. And here I see you moving very, very passionately towards something. Perhaps this is what you've already done, that you've moved very, very passionately towards something. But then here I see you waiting. This is that you are waiting for something. So perhaps whatever you rushed in towards was so fast that perhaps it didn't materialize. That's what I'm getting. You thought it will materialize. You moved towards, you really plunged into a situation, invested yourself totally perhaps into a situation or a person. But now I think it didn't materialize, and you've just turned your back to this situation, whatever this situation is, and you are waiting for your ships to come in, waiting for something new, waiting for a new direction, waiting for a new life, moving away, definitely moving away towards from something which you were very, very passionate about. Okay, definitely you are, and you are regaining your composure, you are regaining your balance, you are regaining your self power. It's something like that. So definitely turning your back towards a situation or a person whom you were totally invested in, or you were moving very, very passionately and totally rushing in towards that person, and suddenly there has been a situation which it didn't materialize, so it just came to a halt. The situation came to a halt because it didn't materialize. Now you're waiting and turning your back, waiting for something different, something new in your life, totally leaving it behind perhaps, and moving away also perhaps towards at least calmer waters and towards peaceful situation, moving away from the situation. That's what I am getting. Regaining your power and being very, very happy and emotionally content. You are emotionally content and happy over here by moving away from this situation in which you were 100% invested, sort of, or at least you rushed in towards that thing and you thought it was your life, sort of. Okay, that is what you thought about it, and now you're turning your back from it, regaining your self-respect, your empowerment, your inner being, your self-peace, and now you're happy. Your things are balancing now, like your life is balancing over here. That's what I see. And coming on is the Lovers. The next card is the Lovers. So now with the Lovers, it is, I think it is you, this is the balance which you have restored in your life once again. The transparency, the balance which you have restored in your life is something which you have gained. But with the Lovers, it can be that you are into a relationship, or you are ready for a relationship at least, perhaps, because here you are totally emotionally fulfilled. You are happy by moving away from this scene and or this situation. You have got back your power, and you are very, very guarded. With the Two of Swords, you are being very, very intuitive, very, very guarded, taking that time alone, being alone, because you still have maybe this is what you have learned from this situation, and now you are being very guarded, very cold, perhaps cold also, that you won't let anybody, just any emotional situation overpower you. That is something which you have learned, or that is how you are behaving, very, very guarded, not letting everybody in to your life, and neither are you rushing in towards anyone. Okay, and you are speaking your mind. So you have picked up the Queen of Swords with the Queen of Swords. This is definitely the power you have gained yourself. This is all about yourself, regaining your own power, your own dignity, your self-respect, whatever it is, your emotional. This is the emotional control you have regained. Back regained, and now you are being very sort of smart in dealing with the situations, and this situation is leading to emotional fulfillment. There is a with the Lovers and with the Ace of Cups, there may be a new emotional beginning which is being offered to you by the universe. Okay, there is definitely something new which is coming up, which is or maybe perhaps in this situation you are happy and emotionally gratified, but definitely it is a new beginning, and followed it has the death card and the 9 of Pentacles. So something has ended. I think this situation has ended. There are new beginnings which are coming up, and something is definitely ending. So this end and a new beginning. And here again with the 9 of Pentacles, I see you giving time to yourself, rejuvenating yourself, working on yourself, spending time alone. With the 2 of Swords and all, you are healing and healing and healing. That's what you are doing. You are just trying to work on yourself to and just choosing peace over everything. That's what. And you are ready for a new beginning also. You are definitely ready for a new beginning. I think with this death card, this negative situation is ending. That's what I feel. And here with the Queen of Clubs, it's all about healing. You are meditating, praying, giving time to yourself, being in touch with nature, whatever you are doing. It's a lot of healing going on. And here with the Magician, definitely a new beginning. With the Ace of Cups, a new life is being offered to you. There is a new beginning. There is end of the old and beginning of the new. I would like to have a look at the scene. Yeah, with the Queen, 9 of Pentacles, we have the King of Pentacles, 2 of Wands, and the 6 of Cups. So this negative situation is ending, and here you are rejuvenating yourself. King of Pentacles, again regaining your power, regaining your stabilities, ready for a new beginning, waiting again with all the resources, and recreating your happiness, recreating your initial happiness, whatever your happy times were. Okay, so I see this is the end of whatever this negativity was in your life. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Things are changing for the better. Page of Cups, maybe you are getting an offer, a love offer or an opportunity, whatever, because we have the Ace of Cups, we have the Lovers. So maybe definitely somebody is coming in your life. Okay, so let me see what is the guidance from the angels. 8 of Thought, you may feel as though you are restricted by the circumstances you find yourself in, but that is an illusion. Okay, so this is talking about this. You feel restricted, you feel you can't move forward, you are waiting, you are making an effort to walk away. Okay, but you are able to do that. Do it. Make a promise to yourself to refuse to be stuck in a situation that is making you unhappy. Don't wait for someone to come to your rescue when you can free yourself, and that is what you are doing. Okay, so don't feel restricted by anything. If it is ended, it's ended. Let it be and move on. Okay, make a promise to yourself to refuse to be stuck in a situation that is making you unhappy. You just have to move on yourself. 5 of Thought, the path you were on seemed like the right one, but now you have run into a challenge. There is a better, so this is the path which you think was right for you, but now it became a challenge, it didn't materialize, and now you think there is a better direction for you that will make you happier in the end, and that is what is happening. Changes are necessary so that you can get back on the track, and these are the changes which you are making. Walking away from the situation. Avoid negative people who are draining you or are bringing unwanted drama into your life. So that's what you are doing. You are moving away from people, and this is the situation which is ending. The message from the universe, number 19 or number 20 or 2 may be of some significance for you. Sorry, 10 or number 1 may be of some significance for you. Express love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. So I think there is somebody definitely coming in your life, because there is emotional fulfillment. There is Lovers. We have the Wheel of Fortune. Things are changing, recreating happiness. Page of Cups, something is definitely coming, and maybe with the Page of Cups, maybe you receive a small gift or some gesture of love. Maybe maybe somebody shows a gesture of love towards you, Pisces, and it is definitely a new beginning after an ending. It's a beautiful energy, Pisces. I'm so happy for you. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.